When does a power of attorney end? The short answer is when somebody dies or when the power of attorney says it ends. Let me explain. A power of attorney is where a person gives authority to another person to act on their behalf. And we call that document a power of attorney. Often it has to be notarized. Some states or jurisdictions might even require witnesses be involved. And it gives authority to this other person to act on their behalf. That authority may be very broad, like buying and selling real estate, liquidating bank accounts, opening bank accounts, etc. Or it might be very narrow, and it might say, for a particular transaction they can sign on my behalf, or for a particular period of time. A real common one is if a person is unconscious or otherwise indisposed and unable to act on their own behalf, somebody trusted may be able to act as an attorney in fact for them. So let me be real clear. That person is not a licensed attorney. That's called an attorney at law. If you have a power of attorney authorizing you to act for somebody, you are called an attorney in fact. That means factually, for the circumstances stated in the document, you can act on their behalf. A power of attorney often says when it expires. Now, if it doesn't, there is still a way that you can terminate a power of attorney that you've issued. Usually that is to send a notice that the power of attorney is being terminated and delivering that notice to the person who is acting as your attorney in fact under the power of attorney. So when does a power of attorney end? When you pass away or when the document itself says that it ends. And then of course you can terminate it later by delivering a notice to the person, notifying them that the power of attorney is terminated. I'm working to provide value that's relevant to you as business owners and other listeners interested in entrepreneurial and business topics. It's my goal to demystify business law so that people have practical understanding and are empowered to run their business and avoid legal problems and hopefully experience a better business and a better life. If you'd like to learn more about me, you can go to aaronhall.com. If you'd like the free videos that I send out only exclusively to subscribers, you can get them at aaronhall.com/free.